Hi everyone, here I am announcing two open positions that we have at Recharkha. Both are work from office positions, nothing is work from home, so please apply only people who want to come here and work with us. The first position is that of an operations and accounts associate. We want a person to be in a part of our team who has some experience from the manufacturing background, because we have a lot of work that needs to be done in the back end of all of that you see here on online. So there's a lot of inventory to be managed, sourcing that needs to be handled, logistics that needs to be handled, production data that needs to be handled, as well as accounting data, finance data, which needs to be coordinated with the chartered accountant. So all of these things need to be managed by the person that we are looking as an operations and accounting associate. The second is that of a social media associate. Now again, there's amazing content that can be generated within Recharkha. All of us know there is so much of artisan stories, the cause that we work for, which is plastic waste, as well as stories of all our customers and our amazing products. So all of this needs to be curated, content needs to be curated and created and then posted on all our social media platforms. So this is both these positions are very responsible positions, and hence we are looking for somebody who's long term, who wants to be a part of Recharkha and grow with the company. That's what we are really looking for. And secondly, the criteria is that you need to come here and work from the office. No freelance positions, no work from home positions. Rest of the job descriptions are given on our website, so definitely go check them out and apply on info@recharkha.org or DM us right here. So looking forward to speaking with all of you.